Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a form for subscription with GoHighLevl. This is useful if you want to collect recurring payments for memberships, monthly services, coaching programs, software access, digital products, or any offer where customers pay on a repeated schedule. First, sign into your GoHighLevl account and open the location where you want the subscription form to live. This is important because forms, payments, contacts, and automations are usually connected to a specific location, so make sure you're working inside the correct business or client account before you start building. From the left-hand menu, head to Sites. Inside Sites, open Forms. This is where all your forms are created and managed, and it's the best place to build a clean, dedicated subscription form you can reuse across funnels or pages. Having a dedicated form also makes it easier to track submissions, update the payment block, and keep your subscription process organized. Click Create Form to begin. You'll see two paths. You can start from scratch, or you can pull from templates. Both options can work, depending on how much control you want over the layout. Templates are handy if you want a quick starting point with pre-built layouts. For this walkthrough, we'll start from scratch so you can see every essential piece. Starting from scratch is also helpful when you want a simple subscription form without extra fields that may distract customers. Choose Start from Scratch. Then select Create to open the form builder. This will bring you into the drag and drop editing area where you can add fields, payment elements, and any text your customer needs to understand before subscribing. Inside the builder, look for the Quick Add panel. If it's collapsed, expand it to reveal the available elements. Quick Add helps you move faster because it gives you access to common form elements without searching through every setting manually. Find the Payments category, then drag the Collect Payment element onto your form canvas. This element is the engine for subscriptions, one-time charges, and checkout style experiences. For a subscription form, this is the most important part because it connects the customer's payment details to the recurring product or plan you want to sell. With the Collect Payment element selected, click Connect. This takes you to your payment integrations. If your account is not connected to a payment provider yet, this is where GoHighLevl will guide you through that setup. Choose and connect your preferred processor, commonly Stripe or PayPal, by following the on-screen prompts. Stripe is often used for credit cards, debit cards, and recurring billing, while PayPal can be helpful if your customers prefer using their PayPal balance or wallet. If you're setting this up for the first time, consider using test mode to verify everything before you start collecting live payments. Test mode lets you check the customer journey without charging a real card, which helps you catch mistakes before sharing the form publicly. Make sure your business details, currency, and bank information are set correctly in your payment provider. This is important because these settings can affect customer receipts, payouts, billing currency, and how the subscription appears inside your payment account. After connecting, return to the form. The Collect Payment element will now let you configure what you're selling. This is where you connect the payment block to the actual subscription product or recurring price. For a subscription, select a recurring product or price you've already created in your payment system and confirm the billing interval, amount, and currency. For example, you might choose a monthly membership for $49 per month, a weekly coaching plan, or an annual subscription package. If you offer trials or setup fees, enable those options here as appropriate. A free trial can be useful if you want people to experience the service before paying, while a setup fee can work well for onboarding, account creation, or custom service preparation. It's a good idea to require an email address so customers receive receipts and subscription updates. The email field also helps you identify the customer inside GoHighLevl and connect the payment to the right contact record. Keep your form simple and trustworthy. Most subscription forms include the customer's name, email, and the payment block. If you add too many unnecessary fields, people may leave before completing the subscription, so only ask for the details you truly need. Consider adding a brief summary of what's included, the renewal cadence, and links to your terms and privacy policy. This helps customers understand what they are paying for, how often they will be billed, and where they can review important policies before submitting payment. If your audience is international, double-check currency and tax settings in your payment provider before you share the form. This helps avoid confusion around pricing, taxes, receipts, and customer expectations in different regions. Run a complete test. Fill it out with test card details, confirm the subscription is created, and verify the confirmation messages or receipts arrive as expected. Also check that any follow-up automations, tags, notifications, or thank you pages are working correctly after the payment is submitted. Once everything looks good, your subscription form is ready to use in your funnels, websites, or campaigns. From here, you can embed it on a page, connect it to a sales funnel, share it with customers, or use it as part of a recurring payment workflow inside GoHighLevl.